lobster. So this is the lobster. Okay. First, I have to clean it. See how big the lobster is? Very big. It's like my hand. Clean it. Look at that. So now they're cut. I will season it with salt. This is pink salt because they said pink salt is good for you. Salt and pepper. Okay, so salt, pepper. See, I season them with salt and pepper. And I have this one, this is lemon. And this is butter. We'll mix it together. Now I will brush lemon with oil. Now I will brush lemon with oil. Paprika. And now let's put it in the oven. Voila. And we'll cook it for 15 minutes. Wow, look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Let's eat the lobster. Sarap, sarap. Nanta. Yum, yum, yum. Look what happened. Now it's empty. Well, where it goes? In my tummy. Yum, 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 yum. Wow, look at that. Kaon lang ko kuan eh. Melon. Ay, kasi nga na ni. Orange.
A little bit of orange, yeah.